Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Kingswood today being Tuesday the 23rd of August 2022. Right, if you've watched all my videos, which I don't expect you to, you might have seen this one in some of my caught my eye but didn't buy, because this has been in the charity shop for a few weeks now. I've been looking at it but not buying it because it was priced at £19.99, and I've seen that charity shop in the past put prices like that on there and then drop the price when it doesn't sell, so I just kept an eye on it and they dropped the price, so I bought it. I also bought a pack of Top Trumps, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince for £1. That should keep my grandsons happy. I do have a bit of a stock of these balsa kits that I just haven't got round to, so I went up and grabbed them so I can show them to you. I keep picking these up in charity shops because they keep turning up and they're not balsa, but they are handy. They do fly remarkably well for what they are. There's even YouTube videos of people converting them to radio control. Anyway, yeah, I've got quite a few of them, one way and another. Right, balsa kits. Guillos, Spitfire. That one cost me £3.50. Yeah. I just look and see it's got the wingspan on there. Oh, there we are, 16.5 inches wingspan. Another Guillos, Cessna 180, 20-inch wingspan. Another Spitfire. What was that one? Oh, that was one that was reduced to £4.99 from £9.99. I think that may well have been the same shop. Yeah, same label. Feels like, oh no, it is taped up, so we'll leave that. 24-inch wingspan. Keelcraft or Keelcraft, Children's Hospice Southwest, £3. Sora Baby, 36-inch wingspan. Tow line glider, in other words you tow it up on the end of like a kite string. Solarbo balsa, I remember them. I don't know whether this is an original kit or one that's been vintage repackaged. That one's been done for the vintage market. 18-inch wingspan. 24. What was that one? That was 16. So 16.5, 18-inch, and 24-inch. Let's put that one there because otherwise they will fall over. And then that one. Mustang, £5. Precision laser cut parts. Walnut scale, 17.5-inch wingspan. So that one's going to be similar to that Spitfire in size. Yeah, I haven't got round to doing any of them, obviously, which is a bit of a shame. I will get to them one day, but while I see them at good prices, I'm buying them anyway. So there you go, that's today's charity shop Gold or Garbage, plus my current stock of balsa kits that I haven't worked on.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.